Hi everyone, and welcome to git312, Computer Graphic Modeling and Texturing for 3D Video Games. This is it. I know a lot of you have been waiting to really dig into the 3D for game art. The first class is just an introduction. I wanted to make sure you guys and your ladies learn Maya and software, and of course all the rules of video game modeling and texturing, so we can really get at it, because we have only 3 classes for the whole thing. So in this class you are going to learn to do a few things. Alright, you're pretty much going to do first, alright, foliages and trees. So bush and trees will be the first module, the first week basically. And then after that we're going to dig into creating your own character. Alright, you'll do the torso in week 2, you'll do the arm and legs in week 3, the modeling obviously. In week 4 you're going to do the hands and shoe modeling. In week 5 you are going to do the character head modeling. In week 6 you are going to unwrap the complete character, UV unwrapping, getting it ready for texturing. And in week 7 you are going to paint, so texture that character. So by the end of week 7 you will have a tree with bush, kind of an environment type of things, and you will have a complete character. Alright, that would be modeled and textured by you. Alright, that should be your piece, portfolio pieces right here. So work really hard on those ones. So as you can see, it's going really fast. The first week is really to introduce a new concept of alpha channel, which is a trick that is very important in video game that you already understand and know, but I want to make sure you understand how to apply it in a 3D video game itself, and how it can be such a huge asset for games. Alright, and it also serves another purpose, which is to get you back going into 3D modeling. Alright, I hope a lot of you have actually practiced over the break, and that would be a good way to actually do that. So as usual, you have the course home right here, you have the course information right there with the syllabus, the timeline of the class, alright, the project and test due dates. You have one test only at the end of the 7 weeks, alright, and the project and possible points. Okay, after that you have the discussions that you need to go through every week and post, just like in your previous class, nothing different. You post your work and we go through that and discuss it. The earlier you start, the earlier we can discuss it, the better your work will be. Okay, and then the projects right here. So you have all your projects, we talked about it, they're all right here. So foliages and trees in first week, second project torso modeling, third project arms and legs, fourth hands and shoes, fifth head modeling, sixth character UV unwrapping to make it ready for the texturing, and your final project, your character texturing itself, and of course also your final test. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work out, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, everything is ready as usual, and you just step into your class and do your work. All right, and you can see a video about project 1 or week 1 in the folder. You have the groups. We don't have any groups in this class, so you're good to go. That's for me. Grades, that's for you. The content right here. This is everything week by week. It's already set up. It's not the first time I teach that class. You open week 1, for example, and you get a review on week 1, and certain thing. We'll discuss that in the week 1 video. Alright? And then after that, you have the staff information. That's me right here. Okay? So that's pretty much it. One main advice. Remember, this is a large class. I want you to participate on the forum, but nothing personal. Alright? All the posting on the forum must be of general class knowledge type of posting. Okay, if you have a question, if it's a general type of question like when is it due, or I can't use that tool in Photoshop, or in Maya, and how do I do that, then it's general, you post it in the forum for that week. So like that, if someone else has the same question, they can refer to it very quickly and fix their trouble. If it's a personal question like, well, I'm sick and I have some problem in life, or what is my grade, this is personal. You don't post that on the forum. You email it to me personally. The thing is, you don't email me general questions. I will not answer them. I will answer only personal questions. Your general question must be in the forum so we can create a life for this class. Okay? Thank you very much. Have some fun and start right away.